let me specially acknowledge my partner in digitalization from the Ministry of Digital Transformation, Senator the Honorable Hasselbackers. P.S. McKellar from my ministry. He has been working with me closely to get these things done, sometimes at loggerheads, sometimes in tandem, but we're getting there. To my newly minted DPS, Abigail Vino, to my not physically present but virtually present DPS, Lam Joseph. I know she's with us in spirit, and sorry she's not here physically because she is the person directly in charge of Presd. To representatives from our various stakeholders, I'm happy to see you all here because this impacts all of you. To the members of MPA who have worked diligently on getting this done, thank you very much. To other specially invited guests, members of the media. It is truly a pleasure to be here today at the launch of the Property and Real Estate Division's portal. This landmark initiative will bring enhanced customer service to our sister ministries, divisions, and agencies in respect of their accommodation needs. The ministry's new convenient property management information system will significantly improve the ability to provide affordable accommodation for ministries, divisions, and agencies. One of the first in a series of digitalization services being rolled out by the Ministry of Public Admin, the new Presd portal will make the process seamless. At the Ministry of Public Administration, our focus is on co-creation, strategically partnering with other government ministries to improve the quality of service delivery to all our citizens. This portal is the first of our new offerings to be launched, and it has become a reality thanks to our very dedicated and hardworking team. And at this point, I would like especially to point out the PS and the DPS again, the head of our project management unit, the head of our digitalization team, Sherman Raphael, Michelle Carrington, in that order, other members of the digitalization team, and members of the Presd team. I wish to thank you all for your diligent and hard work. Even during the most challenging times, all of these team members came together, kept on working, auditing, scanning, digitizing, and training staff on the new platform. 2 years ago, we audited where we were, reviewing performance and strategically planning for where we want to be. We enjoyed working alongside partner ministries, co-creating the portal with our colleagues in various ministries, divisions, and agencies with whom we interact to provide accommodation to ministries, divisions, and agencies. These agencies with whom we interact to provide accommodation include the Ministry of Finance, the Valuations Division, the Ministry of Works, Chief Civil Engineer, Ministry of Labor, Occupational Health and Safety Unit, the Ministry of National Security, Trinidad and Tobago Fire Services. And there are other agencies that we work with in terms of maintenance and so on, like UDICOT. So it really is a whole of government effort that we need to engage in to provide proper accommodation, not only to public servants, but to the clientele that they serve. So we rely on them in seeking to place agencies in suitable accommodation for the safety and comfort of the staff, as I said, and their clientele. It is a relentless process. Think Morocco versus Portugal in the World Cup. But laser-focused precision and teamwork ultimately led to our success. The online platform is the first in a series of digitized initiatives that will propel the delivery of key services for our citizens. Aligned with the government's National Development Strategy 2030 for sustainable development, we know what needs to be done, and we are proceeding to get it done. In the new year, the ministry will be delivering on several initiatives in our revitalized drive to provide adequate and appropriate accommodation for ministries, departments, and agencies, and in turn, enhanced customer service. We've begun refurbishment works at the Tinapuna and Siparia administrative complexes to restore proper accommodation at these facilities for staff and the general public. We are also establishing service hubs in strategic locations through the expansion of our network of administrative complexes and have begun the process of the establishment of these complexes in Point Fortin and Arima. Consistently mindful that citizens expect and deserve more and better services from the government, we've begun the process of developing a citizen feedback system which will make it easy to share your views on the ways in which we can improve service delivery across the public service. Another facet of ensuring that the public service functions effectively is collaboration among the various agencies which together manage the entity that is known as the public service. Recognizing this, we have re-established the Strategic Human Resource Management Council with the participation of the Ministry of Public Admin, the Personnel Department led by the Chief Personnel Officer, and the Service Commissions Department. In 2023, we expect to see significant advancement in public service delivery as a result of the work being undertaken by the Council. The world is shifting age-old paradigms of work, with the pandemic revealing that fundamental review is needed. To this end, we are working steadfastly on the development of a remote work policy, commonly referred to as the work from home policy, but we are moving away from that nomenclature and moving to remote work. Across the public service, we recognize that this is intimately interwoven with the digital transformation of the public service, which is why we're working hand in hand to ensure that both of these initiatives progress simultaneously. For this reason, the development of this policy will be characterized by key stakeholder consultations, fit-for-purpose considerations, and results-oriented design, because we are determined to ensure that the work-from-home policy does not negatively impact the service provided to the citizenry. MPA strategic planning exercises in 2022 would have laid the foundation for rollout in 2023 to ensure we achieve our goals. There have been interactive staff town halls, stakeholder workshops, and change management strategic planning sessions. 2023 is going to be a year of hard work, Michelle and Sherman. Hard work, engagement, and the delivery of key programs and projects towards the achievement of excellence in public service delivery. In this season, and I'm not talking Christmas here, I'm talking World Cup, permit me to quote the words of the great Pele, the legendary footballer, who said, "Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do." We should all internalize those words. And through our commitment and passion for excellence, we know we will continue to improve our offerings. Launching this portal before the end of 2022 was on my Christmas wish list, and my team has delivered, and again, I thank you. I thank the team for their dedication in getting us here, and I urge the Property and Real Estate Unit of the Ministry and other stakeholders to make full use of the portal to allow for more efficient delivery of appropriate and affordable accommodation to our clientele. And in particular, Mr. Edgell, thank you for being here. I urge property owners and their agents across the country to register on the system and list your properties for rent or sale to the state. This is a key element in ensuring the success of our platform. As I close, let me wish all present today and the rest of Trinidad and Tobago all the best for the season and the 2023 filled with peace, promise, and prosperity. I thank you.